Hello students, today we are discuss about the class 12th history topic, and today we are discuss about in this particular video ancient history of India, old history of India or ancient history of India. Indian history divided in three parts. Indian history divided in three parts: ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. So now in this video, we are discuss about the ancient history of India. Especially, we are discuss about the Vedic age and Vedas. What is the Vedas? Oldest written literature of India. Oldest Sanskrit literature of India. Oldest ancient written literature of India. Clear? These are the Vedas. These are the collection of. These are given the knowledge. Vedas given the knowledge of oldest society. Vedas given the knowledge of oldest society, religion, and political system. Vedas given the knowledge of oldest society, religion, and political system. Clear? And Vedas divided in four parts. Vedas divided in four parts. Four parts. Number one is Rig Veda. Number one is Rig Veda. This Veda, Rig Veda, emphasize on social and religion knowledge on that era. This Veda emphasize on social and religion or spiritual knowledge on this particular era. Rig Veda. Number one is Rig Veda. Number two is Yajur Veda. Number two is Yajur Veda. Yajur Veda given the knowledge for Yajna. Yajur Veda given the knowledge of Yajna. Clear? What is the Yajna? Clear? And number third is Atharveda. Atharveda is the number third type of Veda. Atharveda given the knowledge of old medicine, for example, Ayurveda, yoga, meditation, and given the knowledge of that time economy. Given the knowledge of that time economy, money system, and business system. Clear? It is called to Atharveda. And number four is Samaveda. Samaveda is the number four Veda, and Samaveda basically given the knowledge of mantras. Samaveda basically given the knowledge of mantras. These mantras connected or related to the devtas. For example, the mantra of Agni Devta, fire. The mantra of water Devta, for example, Varuna Devta. For example, of air Devta. For example, Pawan Devta. Clear? Indra Devta. So Samaveda basically collection of the rituals, collection of the richa. Richas means mantras. So Samaveda is the collection of the knowledge of the mantras, clear, related to the devtas. Clear? So it is the oldest ancient history of India, and without the discuss about the Vedas, Vedic age, this oldest Indian history is not complete. So Vedic age, Vedas connected to the Vedic history. And Vedic history divided in two parts. Vedic history divided in two parts. Number one is Rig Vedic history, and number two is post Rig Vedic history. Number two is post Rig Vedic. Number two is post Rig Vedic history. And what is the Vedas? Vedas is the oldest written literature of India, and they given the knowledge of oldest society, religion, and political system. Vedas divided in four parts. These are Vedas in four parts. Four types of Vedas. Number one is Rig Veda. Rig Veda basically emphasize or focus on that time social, society, and religion and spiritual knowledge. Rig Veda. Number two is Yajur Veda. Yajur Veda basically giving the knowledge for Yajna. Number third is Atharveda. Atharveda basically giving the knowledge of oldest medical system or Ayurveda and yoga. Clear? And Atharveda also given the knowledge for the that time era economy and business system and money system. Clear? And last is Samaveda. Last four Vedas is Samaveda. Samaveda given the knowledge of mantras. Samaveda given the knowledge of mantras. And these mantras basically related to the devtas. These mantras basically connected to the particular devtas. For example, water devta. For example, Varun devta or fire devta or Agni devta. So, dear student, these are the Vedas, and this is connected to the Vedic age. This is connected to the Vedic age, and these are the important topic for your syllabus. Okay, thank you. And this is the main important topic for your class 12th.